Next, we will demonstrate the fly stitch. Using 4 strands of floss, color number 9. We start at the left side of the pattern. Bring the needle through at top left. Then bring the needle down at top right. Do not pull the floss too tight. Leave a loop on the fabric. You can press down with your left fingers. Bring the needle through at center. Bring the needle through the loop. Pull the floss. Bring the needle down along the outer edge. Let's demonstrate it one more time. Bring the needle through from upper left. Bring the needle down at upper right. Keep the loop loose. Then bring the needle through at center. Let it form a V shape. Bring the needle down along the outer edge. Follow the steps we just did. Complete the pattern. Bring the needle down here for the last stitch. This fly stitch is now complete. Let's take a look at the finished embroidery. Next, let's look at the following pattern. It is also the fly stitch. It simply connects them together. The steps are the same. Let's demonstrate it. Using 4 strands of floss, color number 8. Let's look at the pattern direction. It starts from left to right. So we will start from the left side. Bring the needle through at top left. Bring the needle down at the lower position. Keep the floss loose. Leave a little on the fabric. The result looks like a small V shape. Bring the needle through at middle. Pull the floss. Then bring the needle down below it. It differs slightly from the separate fly stitch. Let's demonstrate it again. Bring the needle down at the upper position. Then bring the needle down at the lower position. Bring the needle through from middle. Bring the needle down at the lower position. Repeat the previous steps. Complete the remaining pattern. Watch stitch direction and spacing. Keep tension balanced. Bring the needle down at the outer edge. The connected fly stitch is now complete. Let's take a look at the finished embroidery.